Hello everyone. Let us see how to find derivative of this given function by first principle method. So now we know what is first principle method. This is given function sine 3x. So let us write this as f of x. Now we know from f of x we have to find first f of x plus h. So how we can find? Just here replace x by x plus h. Only replace x by x plus h. Okay. So this will become sine of 3 into. Now just replace x by x plus h. Don't write 3x plus h. Okay. We have to write sine of 3 into replace x by x plus h. So use bracket for x plus h. Now open this bracket. So this is sine of 3 into x plus 3 into h. This is our f of x plus h. So using first principle method, we know that f dash of x is limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. Okay, so what we want here? We want f of x. This is f of x. We want f of x plus h. So this is our f of x plus h. Okay, so just we want these two things here. So this is limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h. We can write here f of x plus h is equal to sine of 3x plus 3h minus f of x, that is sine 3x upon h. Okay, now how we can solve this? Here sine minus sine is given. If we write here h 0, this will become 0. Okay, if we write here h 0, this will become 0. So sine 3x minus sine 3x is 0. So this is like 0 upon 0. Okay, so if our answer is 0 upon 0 for h equal to 0, we know we have to simplify this. Here only h is given, so we have to simplify this numerator. Okay, now here sine minus sine is given. So we know how to solve this. Use here formula sin c minus sin d. What is formula sin c minus sin d? Sin c minus sin d is, this is 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into sin c minus d upon 2. Okay, so we know this formula, we have to use here. So write 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into sin c minus d upon 2. Here this is our c and this is our d, that is 3x. So this is limit h tends to 0 sin c minus sin d. First write these 2, then cos into in bracket c plus d upon 2. So add these 2 and divide by 2. So c plus d, that is 3x plus 3h plus this d, that is 3x upon 2. Check this, 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into sine of c minus d upon 2. So into sine of c minus d, c minus d upon 2. Upon write this h. Now cancellation if possible. Check this, 3x and 3x plus minus get cancelled. Here all are plus, so not possible. So just simplify this now. So now let us simplify this. So f dash of x is limit h tends to 0, 2 into cos of, here 3x plus 3x, we can add this, 3x plus 3x is what, 6x, plus this 3h upon 2 into sine of 3x get cancelled, so here remaining is 3h upon 2 upon this h. Okay, now again check this. If we write here h0, this will become 6x plus 0, that is 6x by 2. So answer is not 0. Okay, now check here. If we write h0, this will become 0, sine 0 is 0 and this is 0. So this is our 0 upon 0 form, which we have to simplify. Here we can write h equal to 0 in this part. So let us write this separately, and this h write with this into this is given. So this h we can write for this upon. Okay, so 2 cos of 6x plus 3 into 0 upon 2. Now write limit separate for the second part. Okay, here we write h equal to 0. Now write limit separate for remaining part. So sine of 3h upon 2, we can write here bracket upon this h. So this we can solve easily. Now 2 cos of 6x plus 3 into 0 is 0, 6x plus 0 is 6x upon 2, that is 3x. So this part is over for us. Now how to solve this? This is sine of say theta. Now we know that limit theta tends to 0, sine theta upon theta is what, 1. So how we can use this? We want sine of, suppose say theta is given, then we want same theta here upon, and limit also we want this theta tends to 0, then our answer is what, 1. Now here theta is what, 3h by 2. So here we want same theta, that is 3h by 2. Now h is given, so into we want 3, upon we want 2. So that we can adjust, because 3 by 2 is what, constant. So here we can multiply and divide this h by 3 by 2. Okay, so first write this limit h tends to 0, sine of 3h by 2 upon h. Here multiply and divide by 2, multiply by 3 divide by 2. So here we multiply by, we can say 3 by 2. So here write 3 by 2. Check this extra part we can cancel, right? So answer is same. So we are here, we can say multiplying and dividing by 3 by 2. So now this becomes sine theta upon theta. Okay, we want theta tends to 0. So we can check here now, as h tends to 0, find out limit of this 3h by 2 tends to what? So here if we write h is equal to 0, 3 into 0 is 0 upon 2 is 0, so this tends to 0. So that means we can replace this h tends to 0 by 3h by 2 tends to 0. So we can replace here this by 3h upon 2 tends to 0. In bracket write this reason. So now answer is 2 cos of 6x by 2 is 3x. This becomes 1. In bracket write the formula, sine theta upon theta, limit theta tends to 0 is equal to 1. So this becomes 1 into 3 by 2. Now cos of 3x is given. Okay, this is cos of 3x, and this is 3 by 2, which is outside this cos. So we can cancel this 2 and 2. So answer is, write 3 into 1, first 3 into this cos 3x. Okay, so that is our derivative of this fx, that is sine 3x. Okay, answer is 3 into cos 3x. Okay, so bye.